Nityanandam. I am Vaishali from San Jose, and really excited to be here. And today, when it was announced that the Yogam participants we will be sharing on the stage, and I was like, there's so much to share, from where to start. And but I can say, one word I can say that ever since I have come to the Nityananda Yogam, I will say that I am home. This is my home, and I am here with my father and with my family. So this is so wonderful to be here. And about the experiences, oh my God, it is so amazing. And I'll start with the courtyard, the world famous courtyard where everybody wants to sit. I know everybody listening to it wants to come and sit in the courtyard. Actually, it's so amazing. You learn so many things from Swamiji in such a casual, in such a simple way. Like, he will just sit and he's literally micromanaging each and every detail. And you get to learn how, I was so amazed at how in such a relaxed way, he can make thousands and thousands of decisions and run the entire, organization I'm seeing, and he's running the cosmos. So it's so amazing to see that. And one of my biggest, and the sweetest experiences which I have been experiencing here is, not only I will be attending Sadashivoham, I get to be a part of all the wonderful preparations that are happening out here for Sadashivoham. So just to mention the few, all of us have been talking about the alchemy products, the Gyananjana, the Garbha, and the new alchemy product which Swamiji will reveal in the upcoming workshop. When Swamiji was energizing the alchemy product, he invited all of us in the courtyard, and we get to witness when he was energizing it. I tell you guys, it was the energy was so amazing. See, firstly, it is Swamiji, his presence, his breathing space. And when he was energizing, literally you can touch the air and feel the divine. It was like, I have no words to express. Like, you touch the air and you can experience the divine. And after that, Swamiji, initiated all of us into the reading on the banyan tree leaf. So this is something I have never done before. And I was like, oh, the Gurukul Balasans, they so casually do and they manifest all the powers. They are kid, but I'm an adult. Will I see something or not? But anyways, we were sitting means a group of people, we were sitting with one of the Gurukul Balasan. And Ma Madhura was sitting with us. And then she projected something on the banyan tree, and she asked us to look. So I just closed my eyes, and I just connected with Swamiji, and I opened my eyes. I looked into the banyan tree, and I saw a yantra. And I asked her, are you projecting a yantra? She said, yes. And I was like, wow, I can actually see. And then I said, okay, good. Then again, she projected something. Again, I just closed my eyes, connected with Swamiji. Again, I opened my eyes, and I looked into the banyan tree, and I saw a flower. Then I asked her, are you projecting a flower? She said, yes. And I was like, this is too cool. And, this is just one of the experience I had. Like, I never thought that I will be able to see right in one go. That just close my eyes and open my eyes, and right there I was able to see it. So it was truly amazing for me that, yes, I can also manifest all the powers which, which Swamiji is initiating us into. And, the Sadashivoham Inner Awakening, I have fully caused myself. And this will be my 5th Inner Awakening with Swamiji. And so me and my husband, both of us will be attending the Inner Awakening as a couple. So few things to share with you. See, Inner Awakening has not even started. But I tell you, for all of us here, we already feel that the Inner Awakening is already happening for us, because so much is happening inside. It's literally, see, every time I attend the Inner Awakening, I feel, oh my God, this is the peak. This is my depth which I have experienced. I don't know there's nothing more. And every time I come for another inner awakening, Swamiji will take me deeper. And I said, oh, this is my peak, this is my peak. This is the depth. Now what else? And every time it happens. And attending, the inner awakening as a couple, means me and my husband, we have been attending together. I tell you, it's like it brings so much completion within the family. It is like, it's so beautiful. You really get tuned with each another. Swamiji makes that tuning happen. So, means I personally will highly recommend that if you are coming for Sadashivoham, please do come as a family. And then you will experience that it is, that harmony in the family. And no more arguments with your spouse. So how cool, so how cool is it? And that beautiful harmony, the beautiful completion which Swamiji brings within the family, so it's really beautiful. And the other thing which I have been experiencing ever since I have been here, see, every time, means Swamiji has initiated us into the alchemy products and the Garba. All of us know how, everybody has been talking about it. And it is so simple. Swamiji gave us such a simple technique that, you just put the Garba under your pillow and see the miracles unfolding, means how easy it can be. You experience your enlightenment by just sleeping. And see, for me, every day, the presence of Swamiji, the breathing space of Swamiji, and the alchemy products, I'm experiencing a completion at a completely different level altogether. Means I have never experienced this level of completion before. And I'm a part of the causing team, so since I, call the USA people, so we stay awake the whole night and, we to call the people and help them. But I tell you, every day with the depth of the completion happening, staying awake the whole night is so effortless. Means the more and more completion happens, the more and more the sleep is getting reduced. And I could have never imagined myself sleeping for just 3 hours or 4 hours at the max and be so energetic, so alive throughout the day. It's just amazing. But so effortlessly in just being in the presence of the master, and with the alchemy products, it's so effortlessly happening. And Ma Sarupa Priya, Ma Bodhana, and everybody has been talking about the Garbas. So Garba actually really talks. It does. You just have to connect with the Garba and then see that you will get the answer. So when I'm doing causing, and whether the person has a money issue or a time issue or a relationship issue, you have to just connect with the Garba, because it is pure Sadashivas and Devis bio-memory and bio-energy. It's amazingly powerful. You just have to connect with the Garba and see for yourself. The solution will come. And you can just cause yourself for Sadashivoham. And if you have not received the Garba yet, I will say, please do not miss it. This is the most precious gift you can have. So please do come, and don't miss it for anything in the world. And the people who know me, they know that I have a joint issue. But ever since I have come here, means the people here are a witness to it, I have been walking and walking and walking. And I'm like, really, I can walk so much. And every day, the amount of energy that explodes inside me, I'm amazed by myself. And I have no words to, thank Swamiji for it. Because when I got the invite for Nityananda Yogam, I was like, oh, maybe, I don't know, it's a 3-month program. I will be staying in the ashram. But I decided to say yes to it because anyways, I'm coming to my father, and I know he's going to take care of me. But so many things, have been unfolding in my life, and it's a beautiful experience to be here, to witness all the preparations for the Sadashivoham that is happening. And I think we have been here more than a month. So one inner awakening I have already done. This is my second inner awakening going through, and then the Sadashivoham will happen. So it is like, I just can't wait. It is like inner awakening after inner awakening continuously happening. And can't wait what is going to unfold in Sadashivoham. So if you have still not fully caused yourself, please do come. And even if the perceived obstacles that you see, trust me, nothing is an obstacle out there. You just have to make the decision to come, and all the so-called obstacles will be just blasted away. And you can give us a call. We are here to help you out. And as Swamiji also shared, that you are not going to lose anything. Only thing you are going to lose is the suffering and the incompletions we carry. And you come here, experience the master's presence, the master breathing space, and you will see it for yourself that he just showers and showers and showers. Means whatever, I never thought that I can walk so much. But any impossibility which you think in your life, I tell you, he will just blast it away. And so casually, so easily it will happen that you will be amazed to see that miracle happening in your life. So please come and experience Swamiji's energy, his breathing space, and we'll see you all, and we will have the cosmic party together. So thank you so much, and Sadashiva.